Video instruction of 4 kilograms vacuum gold bar casting machine. First, connect the tubes according to the labels. Connect the power supply, water inlet and outlet, air compressor, argon gas, and vacuum pump. Connecting to the power supply. The voltage input should not fluctuate significantly. If necessary, please install a voltage stabilizer. Press the water pump to start working. Press the compressor of the water. Set the water chiller temperature to 23 C. Turn on the main power switch upwards. Turn counterclockwise to turn on manual mode. Turn counterclockwise to open the lid. Place the graphite mold in the center of the cooling plate. Close the lid. Click Preheat and start heating to 300,400. Preheating the graphite mold. Stop heating before the mold turns red. After preheating, press heating stop and open the lid. Place the weighed metal into the mold and close the lid. Turn counterclockwise to adjust the gas flow value. It is recommended to set the value to 48 LPM at the beginning. Turn clockwise to turn on automatic mode. Setting parameters. For melting gold, the recommended heating time is 7 minutes. For silver, is 6 minutes. For copper, is 7 minutes. After heating completes, the cooling phase begins. Recommended cooling times: 7 minutes for gold, 7 minutes for silver, and 7 minutes for copper. Melting duration reduces as the weight of material decreases. After the parameters are set, press the Auto Start button and the device starts heating the metal. Melting. When the work is completed, the lid opened automatically. When finished, remove the mold with clamps. When the furnace temperature drops to about 100 C, turn off the main power supply and the cooling water supply will automatically stop. The nameplate is the machine's ID. If you have any issues, just show us your nameplate, and we're here to solve them anytime.